Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We've been fortunate enough to acquire this beautiful 2018 on an 18 plate, one owner Suzuki S Cross SZ-T Automatic, finished in red metallic. As I say, it's just done over 4,000 miles. As you'd expect, it's in absolutely outstanding condition, as good as buying new. It comes with the diamond cut alloys. I believe this was last serviced in at 4,000 miles in April, but we will check on that. Beautiful condition car. You've got decent load area here with 60/40 split rear seat system, and underneath here very useful storage, etc. All the tools are present and correct. Minimal wear in the back, as you'd expect. Rear parking sensors, keyless entry, front parking sensors. Wonderful spec these are, and they're beautifully finished. As you'd expect, decent black cloth interior, hard wearing, unmarked. With a car of this type, this is Suzuki's mid-range product within the S Cross range. You're still getting electric power folding door mirrors, electric windows all round with one touch facility on the driver's window. And sitting inside the car, you're getting engine stop start button, fog lights, traction control. We'll just clarify the miles on this vehicle. There we are, 4,372 miles. Wonderful. And here, very clear instrumentation. On the right hand side we've got the speedo with fuel gauge, left hand side rev counter, tachometer and temperature gauge. In the centre here we've got a fuel economy meter, which we adjust by pressing the stalk here. Average fuel economy 34.1 is subjective. It depends how the car is driven. You're going to get a lot more than that, and you're going to get less than that, dependent upon how the vehicle is driven. But the rule of thumb, out something like this car, you should be getting over 40 mpg. Range 26 miles, always a useful thing to have on these vehicles. Average speed 14 miles an hour, etc. So your fuel computer gives you a straightforward readout, tells you what's left in the tank, tells you your average, etc. Very clear, very simple. There's this button here on the right, which will reset your trip meter. It's already been reset. If I keep my finger on the right hand stalk here, you then go into the vehicle settings mode as to what you can adjust for your own preferences more than anything else. So it's simple. Tachometer, left hand side, speedo, right hand side, fuel gauge, fuel computer in the center. Very easy. Multifunction steering wheel. Just turn on the lights here to give us a slightly better view of that. Multifunction steering wheel. Left hand side here you've got stereo controls, integrated Bluetooth with voice control. On the right hand side you've got cruise control. We'll just turn the fan down, and beyond that here you've got auto wipers with variable speed on the intermittent, and auto lights here on the left hand side. And these little illuminated plus and minus, these are the paddle shift controls. Gives you greater driver involvement if you're driving this. You can drive it straight forward in D. When you do, you can use these paddle shift controls here to give you if you like, slightly better responsive drive and greater, as I say, greater driver involvement. Or you just drive it like any other automatic. It's simple. Suzuki's multimedia entertainment center, for want of a better word, is extremely high specification. It is a touch screen unit, and if we go in here, it comes up with FM 1.2, AM, DAB, the lot. And if there's a little cog sign down here on the bottom right. If you press that, you get into all your sound settings. So, you know, you can adjust all your sound bits and pieces: bass, treble, balance, fader, speed dependent volume control. Really useful thing. If you're driving along at some speed, it will adjust the volume control to compensate for any road or engine noise. Back to the home screen. It's so directional, so easy. Satellite navigation in here. There we go. The map, the display looks like this. If we turn the lights off, it goes brighter. Turn them on, it goes slightly darker. Again, I'll just show you a couple of useful features with this nav. You just input your address, very straightforward, and off you go. Press the navigation, it takes you to where you want to go. POIs nearby, points of interest, banking and business. It tells you banks, etc. So it's thinking about it, and it brings up all the local banks. Really nice feature, that. And you've got a whole host of categories that you can go through. Gives you them there: automotive, hotels, leisure, restaurants. I'm always hungry, so there you go, a full list of everything there. Set up favorites, and again, you can go into your tools within this navigation screen, which gives you a better insight some of the features it has. Back to the home screen. Integrated Bluetooth, add a device, smartphone linkage, Android Auto. Brilliant, really high spec nav, smartphone linkage, integrated Bluetooth, DAB, everything that you want. Connect up through phone with a USB, and you're getting everything, all your apps on screen, etc. Get into reverse camera, and obviously you've got the parking sensors which beep the closer you get to an object. So really great. Automatic climate control, dial in the temperature you want, just hit auto, there you go, and it will adjust all the fan speeds and where the air is going according to the internal temperature of the vehicle. Some people love it, they just dial in their temperature, hit automatic, does it all for them. Other people prefer to adjust things manually, so to take it off the automatic function, you just adjust the fan like that, or you can go into the mode button and change where the air is going. Absolutely fantastic, very, very simple. Down here you've got your socketry for the USB, etc. I think there's the power socket. There is a USB in this vehicle, of that I'm sure, and it is in the center armrest. Auto box, useful storage, and again, as I say, this will come up on the photos, the USB. These are wonderful cars to drive, plenty of power. It's a Boosterjet engine, tremendous fuel economy. Having an automatic like this, only done 4,372 miles, is great. It's as good as buying a new car. It will come with 12 months Suzuki approved warranty. We take any vehicle in part exchange here at TW White & Sons, and we will be as competitive as the company, the national company that's advertising on television. The advantage of coming to us, however, is that it is a one-stop shop. You can part exchange your car here. We'll be extremely competitive. We'll take any vehicle in part exchange. We're open 7 days a week. You know, during normal office hours, even outside of office hours, somebody will pick up your email and will come back to you the following day. We do full funding facilities, and we're extremely competitive. Family-owned business. If you want to find out more about this particular vehicle, this S Cross SZ-T 1 litre Boosterjet Auto, or any of our other used Suzukis, or indeed any of our other used Mazdas or non-franchise used, please go onto our website, which is www.twwhiteandsons.co.uk. Thank you for watching.